First question is read like this. What is the significance of the National Space Day celebrated on August 23 in India? Option A is telling that it commemorates the success of the Chandrayaan 3 mission and mission achievement in a space exploration. Option B telling that it marked the anniversary of the India's first satellite launch, and C is telling that it celebrates the establishment of ISRO, and D is telling that it is a day dedicated to promoting STEM education in India. And correct option is option A. Option A is correct, that it commemorate the success of the Chandrayaan 3 mission and India's achievement in space exploration. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer here. Next question, question number 2. Read like this. Which of the following statement correctly describe the Botswana's geographical position? And A is telling that Botswana is a coastal country in southern Africa with access to the Indian Ocean. And B telling that Botswana share a border with Mozambique and Angola. And C option telling that Botswana is a landlocked country in the southern Africa border by South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, and connected to the Zambia via the Kajungula Bridge. And option D is telling that Botswana is located in the East Africa and is bordered by the Kenya and Tanzania. And option C is the correct option. Botswana is a landlocked country in the southern Africa, bordered by the South Africa, Namibia, and Zimbabwe, and connected to Zambia via the Kajungula Bridge. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. C become the correct answer here. So next question, question number 3. Ask that. Consider the following statement regarding the All Indian Initiative on Creative Economy. All Indian Initiative on Creative Economy. Option A is telling that All Indian Initiative on Creative Economy aim to incorporate digital technology into the creative economy by promoting IT-based solution for artisans. The second option telling that this is the second option. Second option telling that the creative economy is targeted by the all Indian inclusive all Indian initiative of creative economic include sectors such as the film, music, design, fashion, which are rooted in the creative and culture. And the third option, this is the third option telling that the initiative expected to affect only a small percentage of India's workforce, primarily those employed in the tech industry. So correct answer is, so option is 1 and 3 is incorrect, so B is the correct answer, means only 2 options is correct. Next question, question number 4. Read like this. Which of the following is a key feature of the India's first reusable hybrid rocket Rumpi 1? And option A is telling it uses a fully liquid fuel propulsion system. It reached an altitude of the 100 km and entering the low Earth orbit. C is telling that, option C is telling that it is the first rocket developed by the ISRO for human space flight. And D telling that it is designed to advance research on climate change and atmospheric conditions. So correct answer is, here is the correct answer is It is a design. D is the correct answer. It is designed to advance research on climate change and atmospheric radiation. Question number 5 is telling that which of the following best describe the function of the mRNA in the mRNA vaccine? The mRNA integrated into the host genome to provide long-term immunity. B telling that option B telling that mRNA directly attack to the virus upon the vaccine, and C telling that mRNA serve as a blueprint for cell to produce viral protein and that trigger an immune response. D is telling that mRNA trigger the production of the DNA in the host cell. So here is the correct answer is C is the correct answer. mRNA serve as the blueprint for cell to produce viral protein and trigger in the immune system. Next question is question number 6, asking that the Eskimo Delta in the Botswana is known for which of the following feature? It is a seasonal floodplain that becomes the loose animals habitat during the flood, and D B telling that it is a permanent year-round swamp, and C telling that it is a desert region with a little to no vegetation, and D telling that it is a mountains region with a snow-capped peak. So correct answer is A. It is a seasonal floodplain that become a loose animals habitat during the floods. Next question number 7, asking that what is the primary mission objective of the Tanager-1 satellite launch by the NASA in collaboration with the various organizations? A is telling that to monitor solar radiation and its impact on the Earth climate. B telling that to study the impact of the deforestation on the global ecosystem. C telling that to explore the outer planet of the solar system, and D telling that to track methane and carbon dioxide emission using imaging spectrometer technology. So here the correct answer is this. D is the correct answer. Next question number 8, telling that consider the following statement about the mRNA vaccine. Telling the mRNA vaccine work by directly incorporating the viral mRNA into the host DNA to produce the viral protein. This is incorrect. Second, telling that the spike protein produced by the mRNA is recognized by the immune system, which then produce authority or T cell. The second and third telling that second is correct. Third telling that the antibody produced after vaccination with an mRNA vaccine prevent the virals from the entering cell by binding to the spike protein. So here is the third and 2 is correct. So B is the correct answer. Next question number 9, telling that consider the following statement about the blueprint. Blue barrier. Option A is telling the blue barrier are typically grown in the tropical climate with well-drained alkaline soil. 2 telling that the high anthocyanin content in blueberries contribute to their classification as a superfood due to its role in the protecting cell from the oxidation trade. First is correct, second is incorrect, second is correct statement. And next telling the regular consumption of the blueberry has been linked to the improved heart health, brain function and reduce risk of the certain cancer. So second and third is the correct option. So which of the following? B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Which of the following statement regarding the methane is correct? Telling that option A is telling that methane is easier to detect than carbon dioxide. Option B is telling methane is more abundant in the atmosphere than the carbon dioxide. C telling that methane emission are primary, natural, and thus require more monitoring. And D is telling that methane is a potent gas, contribute to the significantly to the global warming and form ground level ozone, which causes health risk. So here is this one is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. So I would like to ask